Mm. Hey, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook pork sisig using Argentina pork giniling. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, soy sauce, salsa, black pepper, mayonnaise, egg. Mauni siya ang kanang pork giniling sa Argentina brand, and then onions, garlic, chilies, and then green onion. Saute the garlic first. Okay. Okay. And then next, the onion, guys. Chilies. Okay. The Argentina pork giniling. Okay. So this is 300 grams because the can is 150 grams. So I use 2 cans. Just a little soy sauce. Okay. I think just a tablespoon. Okay. Just 2 tablespoons. I think not too much. Just add a little. So I will taste it. It's okay with you. So now, since the meat is cooked already, so this is done. Okay, so we're gonna add egg over here. Then we're gonna let the egg cook. So our pork sisig using Argentina pork giniling is done, and it's yummy, guys. I tested it. It's yummy. And now, guys, you can add you can mix the egg also like that. Okay, guys, so that's our pork sisig using Argentina pork giniling is done. Okay, guys, that's it. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.